In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a field set in Salesforce. This is an essential skill for any Salesforce administrator or developer, allowing you to define custom layouts according to your unique organizational needs. To kick things off, let's navigate to your Salesforce homepage. This is where all the magic begins. From your homepage, your next step is to access Quick Settings. You'll find this by locating the gear icon, typically in the top right corner of your interface. Click on it and it'll unveil more advanced setup options for you, which brings us to the next step. Click on Open Advanced Setup. This will open a new interface filled with a range of options. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through every step. Next, you'll need to click on Object Manager, which will present you with a list of all the objects in your Salesforce environment. Now here's where you get to choose the object label that you want to work with. The label is essentially a name that helps you identify the object for which you're creating a field set. It's an important choice, so consider your organization's requirements as you select the label. With your label selected, let's move forward by clicking on Field Sets. This brings you to the heart of the field set creation process. Here you'll want to click on New to start crafting your very own field set. As you do this, a form will appear where you'll need to type in the field set label. This is a descriptive name for your field set, so make sure it's informative and clear. Moving down the form, you'll also need to input the field set name, along with where you'll use the field set. Take a moment here to thoughtfully fill in this information, as it pertains to how and where the field set will be applied in your system. Once you've input all the necessary details, go ahead and type in the information inside the box provided to you. When you're satisfied with all the entries, it's time to click on Save. This captures your field set details in Salesforce. But wait, we're not quite done yet. Now comes a crucial step where you choose the field names that you'll include in your field set. As you explore the list of fields on the page, you have the freedom to drag any of the fields into your field set layout. Just click, hold, and drag the desired field from the list and drop it into the appropriate section below. Once you've organized the fields to your liking, there's just one more step to seal the deal. Look for the Save button one last time and give it a click. There you have it. You've successfully created a field set in Salesforce. Remember, practicing this process a few times is the best way to familiarize yourself and ensure you can replicate it effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy field setting!